Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly changing the way we work and interact with technology. While AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and make our lives easier, it also has the potential to disrupt the job market. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 jobs that may be left jobless due to the advancement of AI. Data entry clerks. Data entry clerks are responsible for inputting data into computer systems and databases. With the development of AI, this task can now be automated through the use of machine learning algorithms and natural language processing. This means that data entry clerks may no longer be needed to perform this task, as machines can do it more accurately and efficiently. Customer service representatives, AI chatbots, and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly popular in the customer service industry. These AI-powered tools are able to handle a variety of customer inquiries and provide quick and accurate responses. As a result, customer service representatives may become obsolete as companies turn to AI to handle customer inquiries. Telemarketers. Telemarketers are responsible for making sales calls to potential customers. With the advancement of AI, companies are now able to use automated voice systems to make these calls. These systems are able to mimic human speech and can handle a variety of customer inquiries and objections. As a result, telemarketers may no longer be needed to make sales calls. Translation and interpretation. AI translation and interpretation tools are becoming increasingly accurate and widely used. These tools are able to instantly translate spoken or written language, making the job of human translators and interpreters less necessary. While these tools are not yet able to fully replace human translators and interpreters, they have the potential to significantly reduce the demand for these jobs in the future. Driving jobs. AI is making significant progress in the development of autonomous vehicles. While fully autonomous vehicles are not yet widely available, it is likely that they will be in the near future. This means that jobs such as truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery drivers may be replaced by self-driving vehicles. Manufacturing jobs. AI is being used to automate a variety of tasks in manufacturing, including assembly line work and quality control. As a result, jobs in the manufacturing industry may be impacted by the advancement of AI. Retail jobs. AI is being used to improve the customer experience in retail settings through the use of personalization and recommendation algorithms. This means that jobs such as sales associates and cashiers may be replaced by AI-powered systems in the future. Financial analysis and management. AI is being used to analyze financial data and make investment recommendations. This means that financial analysts and portfolio managers may be replaced by AI-powered systems in the future. Legal research and analysis. AI is being used to perform legal research and analysis tasks, such as reviewing contracts and identifying relevant legal precedents. This means that legal research and analysis jobs may be replaced by AI in the future. Writing and journalism. AI is being used to write news articles and other types of content. While these AI-generated articles are not yet able to fully replace human writers, they have the potential to significantly reduce the demand for these jobs in the future. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and make our lives easier, but it also has the potential to disrupt the job market. While it is difficult to predict exactly how AI will impact employment in the future, it is important to be aware of the potential impacts and prepare for the potential changes that may come with the advancement of AI. It is also important for individuals to continuously update their skills and knowledge in order to stay relevant in the job market. As AI continues to advance, it is likely that we will see more and more jobs being automated. However, it is also important to note that AI has the potential to create new jobs and opportunities as well. For example, jobs related to the development and maintenance of AI systems will likely become more in demand. Overall, it is important to keep an open mind and be adaptable as the job market shifts and evolves with the advancement of AI. While some jobs may be left jobless due to AI, others may be created or transformed in ways that we can't yet predict.